Hello, I would like to introduce the app Future Garden. This is the prototype of the app, and you can see here is the main page of the app, which is a garden map. From the top, the navigation bar, we can see the icon and search function, upload function, and burger. Here is the filter of how we would like to see the goods on the map. And yeah, we can also adjust the distance we would like to see. Choose fruit, vegetables, and we can as well overlap in the filter with only free delivery goods. Yeah. Now I would like to introduce search function. Yeah. So now I would like to buy some carrot. Here I can see some suggested or recent search or more popular goods where I don't see carrot, so I decided to write by myself carrot and then click search. Here is the result of the search, and I don't want to go too far for the carrot. Here I can click on the dot on the map, or I can click direct from the good card to see more detail. So for see more details, we jump to this goods information page. Here we can add the goods to like list, or we can calculate how much money it costs according to how much amount we want to buy. And here I can see how much the trader is willing to meet with me and what's the distance it's willing to deliver to me, and the tax of the goods. Lastly, I can see other goods from the same trader, and very convenient, so I can add any goods I'm interested in to the chat, and I can also remove it. But now I maybe want to see broccoli, but now yeah, actually I regret, so I can as well remove it from the chat. And I'm going to introduce the chat function now. So here we can send messages to the trader, and yeah, we want to make a termin to each other. So here is a chat function icon. Inside this chat function, we can upload photos or use camera to send a photo, or visit the trader's organism creator, or make a termin, which is what we want right now. So this is the termin making page. Here we can adjust the time and meeting point or use preset location. And I've changed the meeting point and the time. Then click check. On the map I can see where we are going to meet, and when I'm sure I will send this to the chat. And I can see the notification after I send the chat, and both of the traders has to click confirm in case to stay on the same page and the same progress of the termin. For example, if one cancelled, the other one will receive the notification, and if we do as well. So from the icon here, we can go to the termin page, where we can use the road to guide how are we going to go there on foot or on other public transportation or by car anyhow. And when we can also chat to this trader from this app, from this page. And when we finish the trade, we can scan the code from each other, and both of the traders will be able to collect some energy. Yeah, this time I collect carrot energy. And this is the organism creature I mentioned before. It is not a main function. It's not a necessary function of the app, but it's a big feature of the app. These creatures will exist behind the app, but it will never die, but it will always be hungry. So the only thing you could do is to feed it. This creature meant to encourage the users to buy more vegetables or use the app to trade more as possible. And the creature will change its appearance according to the food it eats. Like now it became a carrot head. And now I would like to introduce the upload function, because I grow some carrot in my own garden and there are too many to eat by myself, so I would like to share it with other people. Before upload the goods, I have to understand that I have to meet and trade with buyers. If I agree, yes, the user can upload up to 4 photos or videos. They can also choose the photos from camera reel. I would like to use the photo of my carrot garden. Go back to camera, take a last photo of it. Here I can write more detail about my carrot. Add some price, and since there are many different kind of vegetable foods, so here the user provided with multiple choices of the amount value, and whenever they choose, will automatically change the amount counting words here. And I have 3 kilograms of carrots. Yes. So now I would like to add some text. It's home garden. Yes. And adjust the meeting distance. I would like to deliver the carrot to the buyers within 2 kilometers. Here I can choose longer distance than here, is because I could charge if I deliver, so it makes sense if I can do more deliver distance than meeting distance. Add location. Check. And next. Here I can, before upload, I can see through how it would look like by other users. When everything is correct, I will upload a carrot. After I upload the carrot, I will jump to the page Your Goods. From these goods, I can see all of my uploaded goods. And I can change the left amount here. I have only 2 kilograms left. And I can also remove any goods or edit it back. I can as well examine what have been sold and how much I've earned from this app. Now I would like to introduce the burger. So inside the burger, you've already know your goods page. Now we can come to like the goods page. Here I can see all the goods I like. I can remove it, or I can filter to not yet bought to focus more on this interested goods that I could still buy. And next is Termin page. Here I can see all the Termin included bought and buy and sell, sorry. And I can see some unscanned Termin, which means we haven't traded yet. And this one is already traded and scanned. And we can also look into some chat history. When there's a yellow dot, that means it's not read by you yet, by the user yet. As well, filter to only my goods. And from the history page, we can see what I've bought, and I can change the amount and how much I've spent, or talk to the trader again if I like its broccoli. And I can as well see which creatures I've visited. I have visited Gulo. This is mine. And I've also visited Furogram before. This one is always angry and hungry, of course. The Furogram is from another trader, but yeah, I can also feed it when there is something floating. The trader didn't feed it yet. And yes, this creature will change the looks according to the food, but the same creatures will change the appearance differently even when they eat even when they eat same food. And lastly is our organism page. Here we can see the status of the organism, since it's always hungry. So, and right now my Gulo is on level 0. The more food it eats, the more energy it gains, so it will change the look to a more complex appearance. Yes. And then I would like to introduce another feature, which is the notification function. So earlier we made a termin, and if the termin is today, we will receive notification from the app. And this is like making check-in termin more convenient. From here, we can jump directly to the termin and scan the code, chat to the trader, or guide us to the meeting point. The other thing were the same. Thank you very much. This is the end of the introduction. I hope you like my app.